Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I want to stop by like really quick. I'm sitting here and I'm doing some stuff in YouTube. So I'm literally going through YouTube's like little training materials and stuff because they have a lot of new features that are rolling out. So I was going through here and I'm like, well, I don't see no comments. My people ain't been talking to me in a while. They done got real quiet. They must be like real busy. Okay. So what happened is I went into the comment part and then I went up to the part where it says comments held. I forgot to put the darn thing on comments held. And when I went in, it's over 100 comments up in there. And I'm like, Lord Jesus, please forgive me and keep my mind sharp. I be busy. I was so busy, I don't forgot I put the thing on comment held. And I'm like, I'm gonna have to take it off of there because I can't monitor it. So it's best if I just have the comments where I could see them. And I only did that because somebody, singular or plural, was posting comments that were not legitimate comments. So I put the comments on hold so I could keep up with them. And I said, "Oh my God! Well, let me go in here and tell them that I was not ignoring anybody. I was not answering y'all because y'all we be chit chatting, we be having a whole lot to talk about. So there is no way I would ignore any comment. Y'all already know that. But I said that to say I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow sometime and go in because there's a lot of comments, and some of them are kind of lengthy, and that's good stuff. I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna answer every one of them too as soon as I get the time to do that. If I don't do some tonight, I'm going to do them tomorrow. I did see a couple that was asking maybe for requests, like for certain things to be made or show how to do something. I did see a little bit of that, but I'm going to go back in and reread everything. I wanted to say, I hope everybody is like moving and grooving in your purpose. I was saying this the other day on a video that I put on my Facebook page that time is going by so absolutely fast that we should not, as human beings, while on this time side of life, lend ourselves or host any negativity, anything that's negative, anything that's ignorant. We don't want to give our time to that. And I was saying we always want to do the best that we can, if we can, to only have the best of the best of the best people in our lives. That does not mean the best of people have a whole bunch of material things. That's not what I'm saying. Human to human, good to good, grace to grace. How I treat you, how you treat me. Good with respect and consideration. Every day of our lives, as long as God allows us to live on this time side of life. And every day we want to thank Him for allowing us to have our perfect place of peace. You know how many people don't have a perfect place of peace? Our perfect place of peace. Every time we go by jewelry supplies, every time we make it back to a house that has a roof, every time we're able to walk into our studios or workrooms or bedrooms or living rooms or wherever it is that we create, we want to always give God praise. We want to always thank Him every single day, all the time, all during the day, whenever you're creating. I'm just saying, it's like people don't have perfect places of peace like we do. And out of the 7 billion plus people, He gave it to us. How blessed we are. How blessed we are. And I'll leave that with you. And I am going to go in here and read some of these comments, and I am going to answer, but I needed to tell you guys that. So do me a favor. Be sure to have a good weekend, and we'll talk soon.